Yo, what is up guys? So this video is a little bit different. As you can see on my screen here, I'm screen recording my mobile phone. And this video is going to show you just how you can go ahead and get free COD points. Now COD points you can use on COD Mobile, Modern Warfare 2, Warzone, whatever you want to use. And I found a way how to get 10,000 free COD points, and it takes only a few minutes. So as you can see on my screen recording here, I'm just gonna run through the steps on how you can go ahead and get your very own 10,000 free COD points. And as you can see, they're pretty expensive if you use to purchase COD points. 2,400 here is around 20 US bucks. So you can imagine 10,000 would be quite a bit. So you need to go to www.giftcardhero.net. So you're going to type this into your internet on your mobile phone, and you're going to find this Gift Card Hero page. It's got a bunch of stuff. We need to search for the free COD points page. So you're going to press this menu button, go up to search, and just type points. You can see there's a couple of pages, but we're looking for the COD points code page. So we're going to press that. Now on this page, there is a full comprehensive guide, but we need to press this button here. So as you can see, I'm pressing it. Now when it loads up, depending how fast your internet is, mine's obviously slow, we need to scroll down and select the value of the COD points we wish to get. You can go up to 10,000, so you got 3 options. Obviously we're probably all gonna choose 10,000 because why would you not, you know? This is a different style of video for me, guys. I don't usually screen record, but I thought I'd try it out just to see what the feedback is like. Anyway, so it's searching for a code. Now this code is what you redeem in your COD store, and it's going to credit your account 10,000 points. So we need to press this show full COD code to unlock the remaining digits. Now, as you can see, Gift Card Hero has partnered up with COD to be able to provide us these codes. But we need to complete a couple of free simple tasks. Basically, you can complete a couple of free surveys following the instructions below each one. And this looks like a survey. As you can see, Ethereum's on a run. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to complete this and I'll be back.
Boring!
So I completed 2 of these, as you can see. I finished 2, so if you successfully do them, when you return to Gift Card Hero, there you go. It's now released the full code. So when you enter this code into your COD store account, it's going to credit you 10,000 COD points, and it's as easy as that. You've got to go to giftcardhero.net, follow all of the instructions in this video, or you can read through the instructions on the screen when you visit the website. It's super easy, and yeah, save your money, guys. Don't purchase these. Get your very own 10,000 COD points now. Peace.